Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about currency DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this is currency DAX function syntax, currency and value. Okay, let's check this DAX function in Power BI Desktop. See this here, I'm already prepared some data manually. Okay, and next to column and type here currency. Okay, once you read this, returns the value as a number, currency data type. Okay, see this here, it's automatically total this data type to change it to currency. Okay, and let's check this function. See this here, now I'm adding sales and close this parenthesis. See this here, currency is a function name, sales is a table name, and sales is a column name. See this here, and see this here, it's automatically changed this data type. Okay, it's automatically changed this data type currency. Okay, this is currency DAX function in Power BI Desktop.